Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Yo, P, what up? Thanks again for posting the link in the chat, bro. Jay, Joy Freedom. Yeah, I know. I woke up and I missed the whole fucking pump. What's funny is, let me get my screen share. Let me make sure I'm logged into everything I want to be logged into. Last night. Yeah. Last night, who else is here? We'll get into it in a second. Slick Rick the Ruler, Hot Shot. Bro, rough day today, but it looks like you're doing just fine, bro. Hot Shot. Maximus, Jay. Chris Trades in Nevada, what up? Marcine, Armando. Holy Earth, K-Spec. Robert Gallus, Mike Jamal. Is that Jamali? My bad, bro. Kevin Tobias, Marco Noriega, Mambo Lambo, Preneur X, Donzo, Labradaba, Trusty Tran, Tim Morgan. Printer Brothers. Trending World. A28, Michael S. Crank. Rick. Keegan. You're up 25K on a Take Profit Trader account? Is that a Pro Plus? I hope so. It has to be. That's a sick fucking day, bro. Tactical, what up? Amit, what's good, bro? Good shit. Damn, bro. I love it. Row. That's all right, Tactical. You could always trade. You know, you might like trading with Trade Day, bro. It's pretty much the same shit. D-Walk, what up? Yash. Row. J Hundo. Zero Day Jason here. All right, so let me turn my screen sharing on over here, up in here. Over here. So last night, well, I'll start here. I streamed last night during the Asia for a little bit. Had some time to hang out before I had to go get my son from drums. So I fucking hopped on, right? And I did this pretty much as soon as I got on, 5 minutes into it. So these trade day accounts are officially over the target, but they're not officially passed yet. I still need 3 days of trading, which is fine, right? And I just can't lose $150. I needed to get to 53,004 was the new profit target because of consistency rules and stuff. Just don't lose $150 in the next 3 days. How hard can it be? So that's cool. So next Thursday, I should have 3 funded trade day accounts. And then this is day 5 on this Take Profit Trader. But look at this. Hold on. Let me move myself over to the other side. So I can show you something. At 12:37, I placed an order to go long to get my half of pass or smash for a new 50K Take Profit Trader test account. 12:37, my time, right here, right fucking here. And then I was like, I don't know, I'm scared, I'm a little pussy, and I was doing things around the house, and I canceled this order. My take profit was set to 83.75. Look what happened. I thought it was like the beginning of the pump. But man, I came back to the computer after doing something else around the house or something, whatever the fuck I was doing. And it went up like even just then and just from there, it went up almost 100 points. And then the rest is history, as we know, the rest of the fucking day, just nuts. But yeah, that sucked. Missed opportunity. What up, Andy? iTrade. Mike Roch, Lord Woodslinger, Anthony Jr. Well, I'm green everywhere so far, and I'm not hiding any red. So maybe I should just not trade for the rest of the day. Clinvale. Yo, honest take. Yo, I would have told that client to, like, do you know what you just did? You piece of shit. Christopher Boucher. Mama said, what's up, man? Newts. Yeah, I like that new one. Mike Crotch. You know what's funny? Mike Crotch has been hanging out on the stream for like 3 or 4 days, and I never even like put it together. So I like that. That could be somebody's real name. And Newts caught it right away. Tori Trade's husband. we got the highest quality fucking people in here. I'm telling you guys. We got Tori Trade's cousin in here. We got Mike Crotch. Alfred, Michael S. How hard can it be? Yeah. Printer Brothers. Yup. That was yesterday. Tori Trade's husband's just chilling in the golden shower pocket. Whose picture is that? I gotta see. You got fucking, yo, that's fucking, yo, guys, hold on. I gotta show you guys this. Hold on. Oh, are we about to give it up here, or is this like right here going to be a bounce point? Yo, watch this. Watch this. I got to show you guys this because it's fucking hilarious. Here, you know what I'll do? I'll do it. I won't do it here. Where'd it go? Oh my God. Yash, Holy Earth. Yo, Nicolaus, what up, man? Cube, what's good? Tim Morgan. Dude, I never noticed that. I never looked at the profile. I couldn't tell. I got to take a picture of this shit. You fucking guys. I love it. I'm telling you, this is why we got the best fucking community. This is exactly why. Because of shit like this. And then people actually make money in the best community. Look at this. I just fucking noticed this. We got gang. Is that Gangsta J with the suit? Is that Gangsta J with the fucking with the tank top? I think it's still the same face. Oh my God, you guys are fucking great. I'm telling you. All right, what are we doing here? Fuck, man. Gold pump too. Look at gold. Fucking gold. 628. Gold went up. Gold from top to bottom is 600 ticks. All right. Gold and fucking the NQ look the same, by the way. I just don't know. What's interesting, I had this well charts eval, rebuild, and I was watching this shit, and I'm like, this looks like a decent place for her to go short, and it was. But I was doing other things. I just don't know what's going to happen for the rest of the day. Oh, I did this too, guys. So yesterday, after the market opens, watch this. After the market opens, I just need to get day 8 in, right? I just need to flip day 8 on these two Apex PAs. So I think I'm in fucking micros and I'm in minis. I get filled long to catch a quick little something. And what happens? It fucking drops. It fucking flashes down. Luckily, I had my daily loss limit set to $10 on both accounts. The issue is I lost 53. And when I lost 53 on this account right here, it pushed me under max payout land. So naturally, I tried to get it back, and I don't know how many of you guys have seen me do it or have done it yourself or have heard about me doing it, where you're in max payout land or you're just in payout land and you unpay yourself. I was fucking starting to get flashbacks, and the PTSD started to fucking, kick in about me completely fucking myself, but I was able to get it back, and then I ended up $53. So day 8's in the books. Look at this shit. Look at this. So much for the daily loss limit of $10. It was yesterday. Is this gonna fucking log me out? Stop being such a cock. It was yesterday. Well, whatever. When that shit decides to fucking load. Yeah, this is dropping. I just don't. 81. It's not really moving. See, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is that the bounce? Are we going to bounce off of this right here? You got this right here, right here, right here. Yeah. Doomslayer, TJP, Coach Canute, JP, what's good? Take a trade on board. I know, bro. Scott. Yeah. They're not even trolls. They're not even really trolling. I mean, they're just having fun. We're all just having fun. Ian Connor, what up? What's the max payout on the Apex 150K? It's 2750, which means I used to like those accounts. That means you got to grow the account to fucking 7350 in profit just to get that 2750. Sure, you'll be left with a ton of drawdown, but that's a lot of fucking, you got to grow that shit big. Bacon, Carlos, what up? My crotch. Yeah, I've seen it, bro. I never watched the whole thing, but I seen it. Alfred, yo. Oh, Lisa, what up, discipline trader? I trade, what's good? Yeah. I mean, that wasn't a bad spot, but like, actually, it was. I don't know. It's just we're literally not moving right now. These are all 5-minute candles. Look at them. No more of this type of shit. Look how small these fucking candles got. Jack Blaze. Have I ever tried trading with Blue Sky? No. I haven't fucked with them. Nice job, Cube. Nice job, man. My crotch got to pay out and take profit trader. Good shit, bro. I love it. Benjamin, what's good? Hell, bro. Fuck yeah, Benjamin. I can't wait to join you, bro. I'm right behind you. Not standing right behind you, though. You know what I'm saying? Not like in Half Baked when he dropped the soap. Not that kind of behind you, but just behind you. Like, I'm next. Carlos is 700 away from passing funding ticks. William Chapman. The littlest, the tiniest. Oh, man. They request 4K from their 150Ks? There's no way, unless they're... The only way they're requesting 4K from what 150K Apexes is if they've gotten... They're past the point where there's no buffer anymore. And there's no limit on the max withdrawals. Jake. Yeah, William Chapman, yeah. For the last fucking... After that fucking pump, it's basically been chilling in this 508. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this shit. All I know is I'm requesting a payout today. I'm requesting 4,000 from Apex, so that's cool. That was a great spot. Why didn't I take it? That would have been enough for me to get my half day in. Look, I said, rewind the fucking tape. I literally said, this looks like a good spot for a bounce because of this, and what did it do? Exactly what I fucking said happened. Vinny Cuz. Don Burberry. Jake. What up? I got to plug my fucking phone in. Are we going up now? I don't know. There. I got an order in. Just going to keep going up. Let me draw a happy Fibonacci from using this shit in here. I got to go down like that. We bounce off the midline. Don Burberry, tell him. Oh, guys, by the way, today is the last day. Today is the last day for you. If you like those legacy accounts with My Fund the Futures, today's the last day that you could buy a legacy account ever. They're going away at the end of the day. And you could get what up, Dilzik? You could get a whopping 5% off when you use the best code, ZERODAYJAY. Legacy accounts are gone after tonight, after today. My Fund the Futures. You can get 5% off anything, I think, using the best code. If you like the, starter plus, and expert, better grab some now before fucking today ends. One Stop Trader. Doomslayer. Yo, so back to the whole Apex thing. Watch. Apex payouts. I'm trying to... That's not what I wanted to do. Help desk. Payouts. Look, minimum and maximum payouts. Here they are. 150K, 2750. Maybe they're doing it on more than one account. The 50Ks, you could get 2,000. There is not a single account where you could get a $4,000 payout. And this is on the first 5 payouts. The first 5. After that, you're uncapped. Or there's no buffer anymore. But for the 150, it's 2750. Oh, I almost got filled. Are you fucking serious? Come on. Gary Beebe, what up? Oh, piece of cake, bro. $6.46. How hard can it be? Yo, Benny Reimer. Fuck that guy. Fuck Trey Young. Yo, just ain't right. Mwah. Sean. Hey, whatever. If you end up blowing them, you still get to keep them. You'll just keep them on the rebill, you know. But you could get the job done. I've hit the daily, lost them in on plenty of those, and then ended up passing them. Now I'm worried that this is gonna fucking dump. Oh. Well, got some FOMO. Oh, am I not gonna get filled?
Give me that death stare.
76. All right. I thought you were gonna come over here and give me a kiss or something. Well, actually, I'm good.
Oh. Okay.
Trying to be a tough guy here. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm getting fucked in this trade. I'm getting fucked in this trade. I guess it's not going down. Tell her to do it for the stream. Printer Brothers. Yup. Take notes, guys. Take notes. We provide value here, okay? It doesn't always have to be by way of winning every trade. Come on, Bacon. Come on, Bacon. This trading star. Oh, yeah. Real sweet. Like Honey Nut Cheerios. Fuck. I guess I should have stayed. I guess I should have kept my bias towards the long side. I'm fucking putting a stop here. I'm not letting this thing. Here's where I'm going to get stopped out. Right where it rejects. I'm going to get top ticked. Ask Carmelo Anthony about that. Yo, Vince. Eddie. I think it's something along those lines. I was just on that page too. Yo, can we just come down to this bottom of this fucking range? That'd be cool. Come down to the 618 one time for the stream. Please. Is it on the fourth payout? I'll look again. I don't fucking remember. What I tell people is, more worry about the first and second payouts. I'm still working on getting to a second payout with the same accounts. I've only done it a couple of times, so I'm not worried about the fourth and fifth fucking payouts. Get down there, please. The best future signals. Awesome job. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's the best fucking code. See? Eric J, what's up? It's the best fucking code on these prop firm streets. Allah Haji, what up, man? How hard can it be? Trading Star. Oh, I already answered that. Yeah, like I said, Honey Nut Cheerios. Only took 7 tries. Hey, listen. Oh, get down there, please. Yo. How hard can it be? Oh, I gotta lose more than that. Shit. I gotta go to 64.50. It don't matter. It's 64.50. There it is. Oh, is it gonna bounce off the 618 right here? I should trail this just. Hey, what? Did I do the math wrong? Fuck. I did the math wrong. I need another $120. How hard can it be? There we go. All right. Now we're good. We did it, Joe. I know I've been very fadeable all month, but I hope you didn't fade me there. Hope you didn't fade me. Oh, man. All right, I got to lose money on purpose now. Fuck that consistency rule, the 50% consistency rule. 2 should be enough. ZB, the secret weapon. Watch this. Boom. Let's do it again in here. Boom. That's good. That's good. I'm green everywhere. Saeed, what up? Stop putting so much pressure on yourself, man. I get it though. The closer you get, the more pressure you start to feel. You're just pressing. I'm sure earlier in the week, earlier in the cycle, right? In the beginning, you're just like, whatever, you don't care as much. Oh, just like, piece of cake. I'll wait for my setup. And then as you get closer, you start getting a little tight. You know what you're suffering from? It's called tightening butthole syndrome. It's a real thing. I've identified it about a year ago, and I've helped a lot of people identify it. And that's the first, the first step in getting over it is admitting that you suffer from it. Look at this shit drop, yo. You like that, Clinvale? John Pope. I missed that whole move, bro. But I'm green everywhere. And I didn't have to hide anything. Look. Woo! Requested 4,000 here. I don't know if I'm going to get both, but we'll see what happens. Put in a good word for me. My crotch. That's a good question. That's a good question. I'll get back to you on that. Yeah, you start forcing shit. I've been there so many times. I still do it. I still suffer from it from time to time. Investors, you just got to, you got to learn how to breathe and relax. Not investors, but Saeed. Investors was suggesting he needs to loosen up a little bit. Oh, this is the 618 right here. Oh, shit. That was the 50, the midline. Oh, we're dropping. I bet gold is dropping too. Well, not really. Gold is kind of hanging tough here. 618, 707, 786. Let me make sure I don't have any open fucking orders on this shit. So Sunday going into Monday, I'll have a funded 50K take profit trader account. I got these 2 apexes. I have these 3 trade days. They're over, but I got to get 3 more days in. No Photoshop today. No Photoshop. Yo, Vince knows it's real. Titus analingus. That's right, Gary. Yo, Kevin Tobias. Make it happen, man. I'm on the same boat as you. I was almost there. I came so close so many times. I'm just gonna take my time making that happen as I go for day 1 payouts. All right. Shit. We're at the 618. Is this going to hold here? That's what she said. Preparation H. Yo, investors, you know it. RSE, what up? Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Tell him, RSE. Nathaniel, what up? Yeah, man. You know who's going to make it right? I have to make it right. Nobody else. Nobody else can make it right for me. 530? Dude, 530 is definitely within reach. Start forcing trades. Yeah. Yep. Yo, the only one-stop trader. The only thing that'll make it go away is more cowbell. It's true. Oh, there it is. How far down does it go? Right here? $786 is at 533. Maybe a little lower. $532. I wonder if it comes here. 525. What a fucking drop. Finally getting some action during power hour. There's the, oh, there it is. Is it going down to the VWAP? Oh, am I going to fucking fall for this? Did you get your 530? Oh my God, guys. Right here. It might bounce right. Look. Rick. Watch this. Let me go to the 15. Whoops. Draw a happy little Fibonacci. We are literally right. Motherfuck. We're literally right at the 786. Right there. Does it blow through it and not care, or does it fucking bounce off of it? I feel like this is the spot right here, like 525, 520, 520s. I feel like it'll wick below it and then bounce. Or, you know what else could happen, guys? It could just keep going down. But right now, it's bouncing right off of it. You see, guys? You see, guys? You think it fills this gap like next week all the way down? Look at that. It's already up 12 fucking points. Fuck. You could have come down 6 more points for me. Oh, there it is. There's a fucking past account. Just ain't right. Caleb. I'm green everywhere today. Not hiding anything. Nothing happened today. See, nothing happened today. I'm fucking green. Oh my God, what an opportunity right there. 786. Look at that shit. Will it come back down? It could. 786 fucking won that battle. I'm not saying, sometimes, you know, with these fibs and the bounces and the rejections, sometimes they're good for scalping opportunities, but sometimes they're good for fucking massive moves. Olivier, what up? Really, investors, one tick? Slick Rick. Caleb, we're chilling. Oh, awesome, Chris. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate the support and great job. No trade, no Photoshop here. No account number hiding here, Marcine. You know the deal. You know the deal. I don't hide no fucking accounts. I don't need to hide my account numbers for my privacy. I don't need to do that shit. Just so you know, Take Profit Trader is still 40% off a no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. If you want to support the channel, it's greatly appreciated. Further than you already are, right? You guys are here, so you're already supporting the channel by being here, and I appreciate that. But my code's the best fucking code. Well, what was your entry, investors? You might still get it. What was your entry? Maybe take some off or something. Yo, Printer Brothers, a lot of edging going on here. Caleb, focus on the 2 that you passed. I mean, this might be the end. We could go back down on the fucking algo candle, but man, look, the 786, bro. 580? Dude, you got 50 fucking points. Why not fucking take some off? I know, you know me. I get it. I get it, bro. You want full take profit. Yeah. I'm with you, man. You want what you want. You want what you want. At that point, when it's that fucking close, why not trail it? Why not trail it when it's that close in case something like this happens? We fucking bounced. We bounced 20 fucking points. This might keep going up. This is going to keep going up. It's coming up to here. Oh, fuck me, man. I'm pissed because I wanted to get filled too. I wanted to get filled. I should have fucking put my order right at the 786. Look at that. Look at that, guys. You see, guys? You see that? Look at that fucking bounce. Right on the fucking, right to the fucking T. Right on it. Trade days also 40% over, no activation fee. That might allegedly be ending at the end of the month. Apex is 80% off. 80% off Apex. They need to do 90% to fucking close out the month. Don't be a dick for a tick. That's right, Benjamin. I love it. It's a trap. It's a trap. Oh, Chris, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Oh, dude. I'm so glad you didn't give up on yourself. I made a video about this a long time ago, like a short, a couple of months ago. I literally said, when you are about to quit and you're ready to fucking give up on yourself completely, you're ready to throw in the towel, that is when you are so fucking close to a major breakthrough. And this is a perfect example. And it's not, I'm glad it's because you found my channel or whatever, but you were that fucking close, man. I'm glad you didn't quit on yourself. Now you know you could do it. Uh-oh. What's going on over there? So I'm really happy for you. More, not just because you passed the eval, obviously, and you used the best code, but mostly because you didn't give up on yourself. That's the most important thing. It's always right when you want to fucking just say fuck everything is when you're about to have a major breakthrough. Always. TD Trade, what up? Jason Goggins. I could do more pull-ups than him. Fuck that guy. Nah, that guy's a fucking animal. Jake. What direction is the algo candle? I just spilled water all over myself. I have a hole in my... Yeah, man. Yeah, you could do it. And hey, Chris, and if for whatever reason you fall a little short of your first payout with this account, just know that you're getting closer. You just passed an eval, right? Now the next step is to, it's a process. You have to go through an evolution, and sometimes you're gonna take some steps forward, and then you're gonna take steps back. Like last month, I thought I took some major steps forward, and then this month I'm having an awful fucking month. Awful month. I came within 1 day. If I would have gotten approved 1 day sooner, I would have had my best month ever last month of over 20 grand. I fell short by 1 day, not because of anything I did, just Apex didn't approve me until August 1st, so I counted that towards this month. This shit, look at this shit. 30 fucking points, guys. 30 fucking points. Amazing. This isn't a bad spot right here. I don't know if I want to go. Damn, I wish I chased. Look at that. I could have chased here. This shit just keeps going. Right off the 786. 80% off Apex, by the way. DJ Day Trader, what up, man? It's a trap. Logan. Green everywhere. Oh, my God. This shit just went up 40 points. This is an interesting spot. I need coffee, too. Fuck me. Can you say that a little louder?
You want me to get that for you?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Don't show me. Don't.
You're lucky I'm hardwired in.
I'm not camera ready.
You're not camera ready. What are you talking about? Yeah, grab a menu. Grab a menu. That's how we met. I was a server in a restaurant, and she was the hot hostess. So she used to, I used to watch her sit the tables. That's why I always tell her to grab a menu. Saeed, you're getting closer. Just, another thing is just don't be so hard on yourself. Give yourself a little bit of grace and focus on what you're good at. And, if there's only a couple of setups you see, just wait on those. Is this going to keep going? I don't want to chase this shit, man. It's just going to keep fucking going. What a bounce. 50 points. 50 points. Flapping.
It was just swooshing around.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Anything for you.
Anything for me. Wow. Wow. Damn. Look at this fucking move. Look at it. I said it. I told you guys. I mean, this shit could have kept dropping, obviously, but it fucking bounced right off of that shit. Tried and true bounce right there. And this is why I didn't want to chase. Look, it's already dropped fucking 10 to 12 points. Can it come back up? Watch this. Let me draw another happy little Fibonacci here. From the high, this high to the low. Where are we at? Rejected right off the 618. Mike Crotch said, hey. Bro, I've been calling you Mike Roch for like weeks. If it wasn't for Newts, I would have still been calling you Mike Crotch without realizing what the fuck was going on. I probably would have caught on eventually. Oh my God, bro. Wow, what a nice rejection off the 618. Almost 20 points. Almost 30 points. All right, what are we doing here? Mike Crotch has, hey, babe, Mike Crotch says, hey. Oh, my God. I love it. The best fucking community. All right, are we going up or are we going back down? Now I don't know what the fuck is going to happen. I knew more. I was more certain about this than what's going on right now. Mitch. Yeah. Is it going to come back down? Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. Ryan. For real, Printer Brothers? Oh, man. This works on her, but not on your mom. Your crotch. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. What's going on here? Oh, my God. I don't know what to do. This was the move right here. This was it right here. What a fucking move. We went up 50 points off that 786. Now I don't know how much time is left on this candle. I can't. Oh, there it is. 26 seconds. Fuck it. I'm going to be wrong. I just feel like this is the wrong thing to do. Yep. I had a feeling. I felt it in my loins that I was the wrong thing to do. I just want 15 points. How hard can it be? Oh, yeah. You want to join the Discord? Yeah, I haven't dropped that shit yet. This shit's popping all fucking day. All day. It's the best community on these prop firm streets. Anyone's welcome to join. It's free for now. Soon it's going to be $97 a month. Actually, it's normally $97 a month, $37 a month. But for today only, it's free when you click that link. That's all you got to do is click the link and hit the join button. Is this going to pump? Fuck it. I already feel like I'm going to regret this. Yup. I knew it. This was the move right here. Now I'm fucking around and now, oh, man. I was red everywhere. I was red everywhere. We're just chopping around. Whoops. Yup, this is done. I think I'm going to lose it. Fucking piece of shit. I was green everywhere. Wait, here's how. Hey, watch this. Watch this. Whoop. I'm green everywhere. I'm green everywhere. Fuck, I thought about going short too. Remember, I canceled the order. Watch it fucking dump now. Fuck. God damn it. Monica. Now we're going to get a strong green candle because I'm fucking out. Fucking piece of shit. Fuck well charts. Fuck Cranbrook. Yo, look at that. What did I cancel? Oh, I'm not closing. I canceled around here. 56. Fucking piece of shit. I think that was a fucking 90% off rebill anyway. God damn it. I'm going to miss it. I'm going to miss the fucking move. You fuck. I was fucking green everywhere. I shouldn't have traded that shit. Fucking piece of shit. I did this trade. I was fucking money on this trade. And then I fucking pussied out of going long here and didn't want to chase. This was the fucking move right here. This right here. 50-point fucking bounce off the 786. And then I decided to fuck around in this chop. Granny. S1K. Sick. Tactical trader. NATO. I'm not red anymore. Cody. Cody. Oh my God, look at all these evals. Look at all these evals. I bet that's a 707 or a 786 bounce right there, too. Watch this. Fibonacci. Right here. Oh, you fuck. Oh, I can only draw one at a time? Is that real fucking life right now? You fuck. Watch this. Not that it matters. I don't give a fuck about that account. Right here. Look. Oh, 618. 618 bounce. Should have just fucking waited. 59. 75. Can I get 70? Yo, fuck this fucking. Can I get 75? Hit it! Oh my God. It's right there. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Kalbisky. Of course it had to fucking drop when I go long. Watch it hit my take profit on that well chart. Yo, investors. I'm not telling you what to do, but at that point, when you're that close, I would have, me personally, if I'm that fucking close, I probably would have trailed tight. It depends on what kind of account it was, especially if it's a funded account. On a funded account, absolutely. I'm not letting that shit come all the way back on a funded account. No way. Micah. Exactly. Exactly, Micah. Well, I traded a little better today during power hour. I'm happy about that. I went 1 for 2 on pass and smash, 1 for 1 on half and smash. Half a smash. You know? You know? Yo, investors, are you still in this trade? Are you still in this trade? Yo, if you're still in the trade, man, you still got some time. Oh, you got out? No doubt, bro. Oh, it was an eval, so you were trying to get you were trying to get whatchamacallit. Bro, you had like 30-something points, though. You said you got in at like 875 or something. Not enough lines, Crank. Not enough lines. Triple M's. Oh, thanks, man. Awesome at what? Streaming? Thank you. Stormy Shots, what up? Awesome at trading? Warren Buffett thinks so. Warren Buffett, again, he fucking just texted me like, yo, I just made $1 billion trillion on that fucking 786 bounce. He's like, you need to fucking have more confidence in what you see and take trades. I took the trade and I fucking made $1 billion trillion. That's what Warren Buffett said. Triple M's, thank you. Checks in the mail. I appreciate it though, sincerely, for reals. Yo, Logan, they don't know. I don't care how many fucking cars that other streamer has. He does not have the only third row Lambo in the world. I do. It's too easy. It's too easy. How's my finger? It's still kind of fucked, but I could bend it a little more. It's fucked. Post-traumatic arthritis fucking blows. The only third row Lambo in the fucking world. In my garage. Here in my garage. Exactly, Tory Trade's husband. We just lucky guesses, guys. Lucky guesses. Unfortunately, this month, my lucky guesses haven't been so lucky. Be good, Saeed. Thanks for hanging out. The crayon marks on the screen. Warren's Buffet. Yes. Yes, V33. Jackson's Cornhole. Yo, of course, printer. Yo, Ty Lopez. That dude's been dropping knowledge for fucking years. I don't know if we're going to get to 200, but if we get to 100, that'd be awesome. Anybody who's got a bounce, if you haven't smashed the like button yet, smash that shit for Trevor LeConte. Thanks for reminding everybody, RSC. Oh, I'm still waiting to see. Oh, wait. I never got to see the trades that I took. What happened? Motherfucker. What am I trying to do here? Oh, today. It's just not loading. That's what she said. What she said. Look at that bounce off the 786. Unfucking real. Victoria told me. Victoria from Astoria. I make you think of the What Up Gang? I never heard of those guys. Yeah, those Huracans are fucking nice, man. Aren't those the ones that are like, the Huracans are like 400 grand, aren't they? 400 or 500 grand. They're like the bigger ones. Hey, yo, Adrian. What's up with Trevor LeConte? Tony Gold, good. What up? Trevor LeConte is just a legendary OG fucking subscriber of the channel. And he always would tell people, he wouldn't say anything else a lot of the time. All he would do most of the time was tell people to smash the like button. He's legendary, but he's real. He was watching my videos before I started even streaming. So I always say, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Oh, Huracan's the little brother? Oh, I'm thinking of the Aventador. My bad, guys. My bad. Yeah, crypto, everything. Yo, Jay, crypto bounced with fucking when all that news came out about the potential to lower rates. Renee, you like the Euro? Yo, you know what's interesting? Those Euros, those trucks, those Lambo trucks are fucking dope. But if I had to choose, I would rather have the SQ8 or even the RSQ8. They look exactly the same, the RSQ8 and the SQ8. The RSQ8 is basically the Lambo truck. I just love Audis. I just love the way Audis look. And those trucks specifically, probably the best look, not even probably, are the best looking trucks that Audi's ever made. My neighbor down the block has an RSQ8, and then my neighbor around the corner has an SQ8, both in white with the black fucking rims. Oh my God. Yeah, the RSQ8, yup. It's just now at that point, if you had to choose between an RSQ8 or the Lambo, the Urus, or whatever the fuck you pronounce it, that's just more of a, either you want to have the Lambo for the flex or you just like the way they look more. You know, that's just a matter of what your taste is. I love Audis. My fucking neighbor 2 doors down has the fucking, my favorite, probably my favorite Audi ever. He's got a fucking RS6 Avant. I'm like, you fucking motherfucker. I asked him, like, yo, how is that thing? He's like, honestly, I can't really enjoy it around town because it's just too fast. Sick fucking car. My neighbor's got a Bentley. My neighbor, I live in a neighborhood with some fucking people who have got some sick cars, and I'm not even in like the rich neighborhood. We're like, the neighborhood across the street, that development has like the crazy houses. But I got people over here with crazy cars, man. All on my block, like a lot on my block. Fucking Tesla's out the ass. I'm telling you about all these guys. My neighbor's got an RSQ8. Another neighbor's got an SQ8. Another neighbor has an RS6. My neighbor a couple of doors down has a fucking Bentley, the Bentley Coupe. The blue one with the black rims. Fucking sick fucking car. And then I fucking pull out of my driveway with my fucking 2005 LS430. But it's got chromies for the homies. Yeah, I am in Vegas. There's some fucking crazy cars out here. Scott. Yo, I had a fucking Great car, bro. Yo, I had a black one. I had a 2016. That car was sick. I loved it. I leased it. I gave it back. I had a bunch of Audis. I had an S6. I had a 2011 S6. Really fun car to drive. Then I traded that in for a 2016 A6. I had two Q7s. I had a 2014 Q7 and a 2017 Q7. All amazing cars. Preneur, yeah, there's a lot of fucking money out here. There's some crazy money out here. Just saying, right? The LS430? What's there? What else is there to say about that shit? It just screams baller. I am such a fucking baller when I drive in my neighborhood with that car. As I pass by the SQ8, the fucking Bentley Coupe, the fucking RS6 Avant, the same neighbor that has that SQ8 around the block. He has an orange. I think he works at a car dealer or something because he always has sick cars. He has an orange. What's the Porsche? The Porsche 911, like what is it called? Like an RS3 or RS. He's got an orange one sitting in his fucking driveway that I've never seen before. But I put my window down in my fucking LS430 and I just nodded at everybody like, picture me like Tupac. I'm like, picture me rolling, GT3, yeah, GT3. Fuck yeah, Technical Trader. Great job, man. Black Wrangler, yeah. Yeah, there's so many cool fucking cars that have come and gone. There's so many cars I've always wanted that like now they're within reach. Wow, we came all the way back up. Look at that. 48, 75. Like I always wanted I love R8s. That's like, aside from the RS6, the R8's my other favorite car. But I wouldn't get an R8 unless it was a V10 with the manual, the 6-speed manual. I actually learned like you could get the V8, right? Or the V10. The V10 and that whole powertrain is much more, it's actually it's more reliable. It's more reliable than the V8. Go figure. JT247, yeah, man. Jonathan Trent, ISFs are fucking dope. Those things are expensive, man. They don't lose their value. I saw some dude. I was driving the other day. I saw a dude with like a 2011 or 12 ISF. I'm like, those cars are fucking cool, and they're still like 25, 30 grand. You can't fucking touch them for less than that. Do I have a video or know a good video on how to place your fibs on the chart? If you want to learn how to do fibs, this is the guy you want. I'm gonna give you his channel right now. My dog's barking to be fed for the 50th fucking time today. This is the guy. You want to learn about fibs? This is the fucking guy. Trading Wars with a Z. That channel right there. Tell him ZERODAYJay sent you. He's a good dude. He knows how he trades options more than anything. But he's really fucking good with the fib. But the way I do it, you want to draw. Wow, look at this shit fucking go. Look at this shit go. Oh, here's the fucking trade. Oh, it was yesterday. Fuck me. There it is. So I was trying to get to this. Am I still on this side? Oh, I'm still on the right-hand side. Fuck me. My bad, guys. My bad. So I lost $50 before fees by accident on my Apex PAs that are on day fucking 8. The only thing that saved me was the daily loss limit being set to $10 because it took me out right away, but I still lost $50. So I had to get that back. I needed to get back over max payout land, so I got 110. And that's how that fucking went. It was awesome. But yeah, you guys didn't you guys probably weren't able to see this, but I passed this fucker just before. You think we're gonna keep going? Or are we out of, or is this it? Patrick. Up 56K for the day on my fund of futures. What are you trading? An expert account or a pro account? Coach HID, what up? Charles Zhang, what up? 583? I mean, it just missed hitting it just now. I can see it coming up to like 587. Yeah. Oh, but guys, once again, one more time, friendly reminder. Today's the last day that you could buy my Fund the Futures legacy accounts. Last day. That's the starter plus, and expert. So if you want to jump on them, let me drop my link in the fucking chat. You could get I think you could get 5% off using the best code ZERODAYJAY. A whopping 5% off. Here's my link. Eric J. Oh, I can't wait. How much of it was redacted? What is it? Just all fucking crossed out shit? Timothy Chapo. What? I thought we just met up. I thought Trump was just hanging out with Putin. Where's Putin? Multiple passions killed in Niagara Falls tour bus crash. Great. I'm so glad I saw that. Uh-oh. Charles Zhang. It still could go up. It still could go up. What do you need, 83? Putin. Jack Boom, what up? Putin. Those dudes are homies, man. I'm not. It's all for show. 83. Yeah, you missed it by 3 fucking ticks. A scalper in bed. What up, Zach? My beehole of Putin. Debt 5. Hey, man. Sometimes you need a nice little nap. I can't swing trade like she wants. New York Prepper. There used to be so many of those fucking channels. You know who I really like when it comes to that type of shit? Or Wrist Flex. Wrist Flex is the shit. Timothy Chapo. Yup. Those guys are homies, though. I don't know. I might be. I mean, this would have been a nice little fucking playing this bounce here with another account, but I don't know. Not really sure what I want to do here. Are you not going to get your 83? That'd be crazy. If it just won't let you get to 83. You got all of this in the way, like this, you know, resistance here. It can't seem to get over this level. I still think it could though. Gas powered, hot Tory Trade's husband. Yo, Charles, it's gonna hit it. I think. It's just chopping around right here. I don't know now. I don't know. It's just dicking around right now. Did this news drop yet? Trump sent U.S. troops into Washington. Now they're being given guns. What is he talking about? South China Morning Post. Young, what up? Yeah, it's there. It's dying off. Sergio, what's good? Romeo. A massive trend line. China. Oh my God. What up? What up? Look at this. This little chop. Look at this little 3-point cuck zone. 4 points. What the fuck is that about? We need Charles Zhang to get his 83. How hard can it be to get 83? It's at the very top of this zone. How hard can it be? There. Oh, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Here it comes. Get the fuck up there for Charles Zhang. Everybody blowing the candles. Oh my God. That's fucked up. It's going to go. It's going to go. You're going to get it. It's going to come. It's going to come. There it is. Did you get it? That had to have been it. I think it went over by a wick. By a tick. Hey, we did it. We did it, Joe. Good job. Oh, shit. Hell yeah. What'd you do? Pass or smash? You played pass or smash? Yeah, went up to, yeah, you got it by 3 ticks. Bowser, another one taking fucking naps. Nah, you missed nothing, bro. I'm green everywhere. Except for that one fucking well charts account I blew. But hey, let's pretend I didn't rewind. Let's rewind. Delete. Let's edit that out, guys. Charles Zan, that's right. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Oh, man. Oh, I'm requesting a payout soon, too. I might come back on and stream and do a little payout request party. That was the plan. Those are always fun to do. Yeah, Bowser's like, yeah, I was taking a nap. He was just hanging out with other streamers. We all know it. We all know it. Eric J. 2 times 2K. These two right here. Nothing crazy. 4 Gs, but I'll take it. With the way my fucking month has been going, I'll take it. My only concern is that I'm not sure if I'm going to get approved on both of them. One for sure. I'm not sure about the other one. Be good, Bacon. I'll take whatever it is. You know me. Look at that. We're up fucking 35 points from this fucking wick. This is the 618, by the way. This is the 618. Right there. We bounced right off of that shit. Twice. We came back and retested it and then fucking pumped. 35 points. After hours, too. Clinvale, any giveaway today? Nah. I gave away a fuck ton of accounts this week. Maybe next week. Maybe next week. If you guys want to hang out in the best community on these prop firm streets, here's the link to join the Discord. Oh, Clinvale, no, I get it. Someone actually won the other day and never claimed it. They probably don't have Discord or some shit. Where's Bowser at? Can I claim it? I'll give him a chance. Like they were on the stream when it happened. Sometimes, you know, people won't hit me up for like weeks. Pine Tree, what up? Bowser. Oh, there you are. Yo, how do you like trading those 25K bulenox accounts that you got by accident? Did you fuck with them yet? That's a dumb question. I already know you traded them because you're a degenerate. Uh-oh, we're dropping now. Let me expand this. Interesting. I wish I grabbed more of those 90% off bulenox accounts when they did their flash sale. I only grabbed a couple. Charles Zhang, do I like Apex? Yeah. I trade with them. I like every prop firm I trade with. Is Apex my favorite? No. But I like them. They're the first firm I ever traded with, too. So they got a soft spot. And they're the only firm you really have a chance to really rack up a big payout by just trading multiple accounts. You know what I mean? You could have 20 accounts and get paid. Like you could have 20, 200 or 300K accounts, right? And what's the max on 300K? 3,500. You could literally take a 70K payout every 8 days from Apex. I'm not saying full disclaimer, I'm not saying you could do it, but I'm also saying you can. But where else are you getting at? You know, unless fucking like, obviously if you're trading like Take Profit Trader Pro accounts or Pro Plus accounts, you could do it there too. But like, you just have to have 20 accounts that you take to a max payout on a 300K account to do that. It's hard, obviously. Or even on a 50K, 20 accounts. I'm going to do that at some point. At some point, I'm going to have 20 accounts that I get max payouts on. It's going to happen. That was a nice little pop here. 65 to what? 87. Apex doesn't pay their traders. One Beyond Limits. What up? I don't fuck with Top Step no more. Pro Loki Crypto. What up, man? What's good? Stormy. What's Move? Is that a stock or is it a coin? Is it crypto? Now I have to look. You piqued my curiosity. Yeah, JT, I hope so too. I hope they do it for the rest of the month. Baja, what's good? Yeah, yeah, exactly. The potential, without a doubt. Without a doubt. There was a time I've had 20 accounts a couple of times, but I just fucking fucked it up so bad. So I just want to build up. You don't even have to have 20 accounts all at the same time. Like you could build up to 20, right? And just you could literally, the way their 8-day their payout structure is now, you don't have to wait. You could get paid almost if you have 20 accounts, you could legitimately get paid every day. You know, not all at the same time though, but you could fucking be requesting whenever. 3K take profit trader payout yesterday and 4K. Fuck yeah, bro. I love it. I can't wait to get back to getting payouts from Take Profit Trader. I'll be there soon. I'll be back soon. I got this one tomorrow on Sunday going into Monday. Maybe I could go on a run with this fucking thing for the rest of the month. Yeah, Benjamin. See, but you did it though. See, if Benjamin can do it, all of us can do it. Thoughts on Patrick getting paid $12 million a year? I think that's great for him. If it's true, I think it's great, obviously. And with that said, because of the you know, based on his numbers and based on my numbers, I should get $750K for the year. But I'll give them a discount to $500K. Because I'll get 300 to 350 people on my stream at the peak with regularity every time I stream during Power Hour. So I did the math. It's about 1/20th of what he does. So 20%. No. Let's see. 12 million divided by 20 is 600,000. I'll fucking, hey, listen. I'll give him a discount. I'll say 400,000 for the year. Give me 400 grand for the year. I wonder. I'm just curious. I wonder if they're getting rid of everybody else. They're just going to rely on him. That's kind of stupid. We don't even know if it's true. It could just be fucking clickbait. But if it's real, I think it's great for him. Good for him. He's earned that, right? Say what you want to say about him, all that shit, whatever. He's earned that. If he really got it, he earned it. Because he built his channel's fucking massive. He has a massive audience. And, you know, he could move numbers. Well, 20%, 1/20th is 5%. Hot shot. Nice job, Bowser. Baja, yeah, see? That's how I feel right now. And look, you were in a dry spell for a little bit, and then 2 days in a row, you got a combined total of $7 grand. So that shit's gonna happen. It's just what you do. It's, you know, how you deal with that shit when you're in the middle of it. Big key. There's so much money out here. Big key. There's money everywhere. Not just in this space, just in general. Why would I be? The only thing I get annoyed about when it comes to that type of shit is when I'm out here fucking telling people, hey, check out, promoting a firm that I trade with and saying good things about them and like sending people over. And I have this percentage, right? And then someone like Patrick will get a higher percentage for a little while. They get special treatment. That shit pisses me the fuck off because I'm out here fucking pushing too. You know, it's almost look, how do I compete with that? If he had 20% off for like a day or two, like last month, and I might have had 15%. Who are you going to like? I know you guys want to support me, and I love it. I appreciate you guys, but who are you going to use? The better deal. It's just common sense, right? The better deal. Most of the time, I get some people like, nah, fuck that. I'm going to support you no matter what. I love that. I appreciate it. But like shit like that pisses me off. Or like the fucking flash sales where like all these random people were getting 90% off of Apex for a day for a couple of hours or whatever. And then when I asked, I couldn't get it. I do good fucking numbers on my stream. You can't give me a fucking flash sale for a little bit? They don't do that anymore. But like when they were, I was like, what the fuck? That shit pisses me off. Yeah, Baja. I appreciate it, man. I definitely could fucking. I'm proud of that. I'm proud of the fact that, you know, I don't like forget about everybody else. Just in general, I take pride in fucking being transparent and being honest. What do I have to lose by fucking? You guys watch me fuck up all the time. Like, I don't care. It sucks when it's happening. The only part that sucks about it is like when fucking people get on me and start ragging on me. I take that personal. But you know what? It just fuels me. It just feeds the fuel. You know, it's just more fuel for the fire to get me fucking, and you know, for the motivation to get me to the next level. So I appreciate it at the same time. But when I'm in the heat of the moment and motherfuckers are fucking with me and they want to kick me when I'm down, I don't like that shit. But like, I don't know, I don't care, whatever. I'm not afraid to fucking fuck up on a stream. Is it embarrassing? Of course it is. It is what it is. But I'm not going to hide my account numbers. I don't care that I'm at eval number 1308. I don't give a fuck. I don't care that this is going to be funded account number 396 or some shit. I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. It is what it is. We dropped pretty hard there. 87 to 7. Well, not really. 12 points. Lieutenant Dan. What up? The day was pretty good. Aside from me blowing a well charts eval, even though I was kind of right about the move, I just got fucking caught in the wrong spot, or I just fucking fucked it up. I'm green everywhere. I did pass an Apex eval right after that in Trade of 8. The well charts one was just one that was a rebuild, and I didn't necessarily want to have it in there, but it happened. These two are locked day 8. Day 8's locked on these fuckers, so I'm going to request the payout when the market closes as soon as I can. I did this on the stream. So I went 2 for 3 on the stream today. I had a good stream, finally. 2 for 3 on my trades. This is on day 5. This is locked in, officially passed. This is a brand new account that I got on day 1, you know, halfway up. Played half a smash. These trade days are fucking, I did this last night when I was streaming. Lieutenant Diane's legs. I pushed these over the profit target. All I have to do is not lose $150 over the next 3 days, and I'll make sure that doesn't happen. And that's it. That's all I did. Be good, just ain't right. Mwah! Alexander, what up? Bulenox is 83% off with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Apex is 80% off. Take Profit Trade is 40% off with no activation fee. So is Trade Day. When you use the best code ZERODAYJ, My Fund the Futures is 5% off, guys. 5%, guys. Hurry up before it expires. But just so you know, if you fuck with those old accounts, the legacy accounts, Starter, Starter Plus, and Expert, today's your last day to buy them. So if you want to like have those, you like having those, it might not, you know, I'm just saying you might want to load up on them and use the best code if you're going to do that. Micah. How hard can it be, Micah? Yeah, yesterday was awful. Lieutenant Dan, bro. Lieutenant Dan's legs. Yesterday, this whole month was bad, but I'll take it. I'm not complaining. It is what it is. It's just getting me closer to going on a heater. I'll go on another heater. Yo, 5%, guys. 5 fucking percent. 5%. Hurry up. Yeah, the promos with the company code, yeah. It's hard to compete with that sometimes. I get like the quick little flash sales they do because they have their own fucking, we were talking about My Fund the Futures. They have their own stream and shit. They have their own channel. So they do special deals for people on there. You know, the people that are actually around watching. And you know, people are only most of the time they're only watching because they're waiting for them to drop a fucking, you know, a quick little flash sale for the people that are watching. But you know, but I get it. Lieutenant Dan's legs. Yo, just join the Discord and share in there so everybody can benefit, bro. Waiting for 4K. Like my you know what the issue is, Lieutenant Dan's legs. It's not so much my strat. It's been my execution and my mental this month. And I think maybe like the market changed and how the market's behavior changed, and I'm still making the adjustment. Because last month I was fucking killing it. Like 2 of the last 3 months, I did 18,700 in fucking May, and then June was a kind of a shitty month. I didn't get a payout until like the 12th of June, but I finished strong. I did like 7,500 for the whole month, and then July I did over 14 grand. It could have been 20 grand if Apex approved me 1 day sooner. So, and then this month, if I get approved on just one of these, I'm just under 10 grand for the month. So it's not terrible. Not terrible. It's just the numbers are okay payout wise, but how I traded was fucking dog shit. Yo, Lieutenant Dan's legs. Yo, it's happened to me so many fucking times. I took a major step forward in December. I had my first 5-figure month, and then I backed it up with another 5-figure month in January. And then Trump got inaugurated and then started talking all this tariffs. And I had a fucking awful February. It took me a little while to get back to fucking being more consistent. You know, definitely fucked around with how I was trading. Brian Joseph. Yeah. Yup. I think everything will kind of go back to, I don't want to say normal. I just think there's just not as much volume right now. I think that's a lot to do with it. After Labor Day, I think things will kind of, I just think it'll be better. That's my thoughts on the whole thing. Yeah, Nicolaus. Sometimes, yeah, you get FOMO and shit. FOMOing into positions is not always the best idea. You're better off just waiting for the next setup. Easier said than done, obviously. C. Charisse, what up? Big Key. Yeah. Yeah, he made that video. He called it like flop step or something. Yeah, I saw that a couple weeks ago. You know, I get where he's coming from, and they did say fuck you to all the affiliates last August. I tried to get in, but I tried to become an affiliate of theirs, but I applied like a month too late and I missed out on it. I couldn't even be an affiliate. Like, it sucked. I was like, yo, but I get why they did it, because they were phasing it out completely. Unless you fucking go exclusive with them, which I'm not doing. Well, I don't even trade with them anymore, so it doesn't even matter. They got what they needed out of me. They got what they wanted out of me. Use me for 11 fucking shows, 11 fucking appearances, and then kick me to the curb. It wasn't everybody. It was just Paytech. Paytech doesn't like me. Yeah, Dave P, I'm going to request. T. Charles, what up? Alexander, bro. Yeah, I've been there, man. Nah, it wasn't Andre, bro. Andre fucking loved having me on, dude. Me and Andre were homies. I still consider him a homie. Andre loved it. It was Paytech. He didn't like my fucking trading style. You think Andre has any pull on shorts that get fucking put up and then taken down? Andre doesn't fucking go and be like, yo, take that shit down. Paytech does. Trust me. It wasn't Andre. Yeah, Andre has the bat phone. I get it. But Andre's not the one who decides who goes on the show. It's actually fucking Timcast. It's I think it's Dolby Nick and Tim. They didn't want me on anymore because of how I trade. Too many people were crying, even though I was fucking green as fuck. or if you take the overall, I was green as fuck on there. It's fine. I don't care. I appreciate the opportunity. Some people came over and are now part of the DCA gang as a result of me being on there. But I would have liked someone to say, hey, man, we appreciated having you on. We're just going to go in a different direction. They didn't say anything. And I didn't ask either. I'm not going to be like, hey, why did you have me on anymore? You know, I'm not going to cry about it. It's just whatever. But some sort of communication would have been cool because they were literally, they went from like being on my fucking balls and wanting me on once a week to fucking just completely fucking like blackballing me. So it would have been cool if I got some sort of fucking explanation like, hey, here's why we haven't invited you back. But I'm never going to ask. I don't give a fuck. I don't give that much of a fuck. It's fine. Well, Case Son, what up? Yeah, pretty good day today. Yeah, he's never, yeah, but not to me. He hasn't done that shit to me. You know what would happen with Andre? They would be streaming. They'd have the guest on, and then the guest does some shit that Payout doesn't like, and then next thing you know, his phone starts buzzing, and Payout's like, get this guy the fuck off. That's what would happen. And that's fine. It's his business. It's his fucking company. So whatever. They didn't want me on anymore. Too many people were crying. That's gambling. They said all that shit about me, and then they have fucking Dakota and Baron fucking having the XFA challenge, blowing accounts left and right. How come they're not in the Focus Trader program? So it is what it is. I don't care. I don't need to be on there. I was on My Fund the Futures a few times. I haven't gotten invited back there either. I don't fucking care. I don't want to wake up at fucking 7 in the morning anymore anyway just to be on their show. You know, it's cool. I appreciate the opportunity. I'm glad. I was happy to be on there. Hopefully I provided some value. And if at least one person, if it changed how someone looks at all this for one person and it changed things for them for the better, then I felt like I did my job. That's all I fucking care about. And obviously providing some entertainment value. But it is what it is. I don't care. It's out of my control. I don't fucking care. Exactly. We got the Focus Degenerate program over here. You guys could buy as many fucking accounts as you want, especially if you're going to use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Dude, I watched the last stream. Me and Cove were on it together. The last time we were on there, dude, it was fucking great. I sat through with the whole thing. I sat through the whole thing. You know how I know it was Payout? Because they posted a video of me talking about something called post payout degenerate syndrome, PPDS. They posted a little short about me talking about it. It was on Twitter for like an hour, and then it got taken down. And then I asked the guys who put it up, I'm like, yo, what happened? I'm glad I ripped it before it got pulled down. But what happened? Yeah, it wasn't me. We thought it was funny. We thought it was funny as hell. That's why we posted it. I'm like, yeah, me too. But it got taken down. You know why? It wasn't Andre. I can tell you that much. Andre don't give a fuck. Be good, Alfred. Yeah, because someone's in his fucking ear, bro. I heard about that Jesse shit. It's like whatever. It's water under the bridge at this point. I just find it funny. But that's not even why I was still trading with them. Even though they never invited me back. I was still trading with them, but then they put me in the Focus Trader program, and I had to ask for permission. Oh, please, can I have my one account I'm allowed to have? Telling me how the fuck I'm supposed to spend my money. I'll just spend my money elsewhere. I don't need to spend my money there. It's fine. $10 days for payouts? Damn. I thought they were paying fast. What up, King? What's the code again? ZERODAYJAY, baby. Yeah, I'm going to call up. Yeah. Can I please, I'm gonna send him a letter, certified with return receipt. Can I please have my one combine that I'm allowed to have in the Focus Trader program, please? Return receipt, certified. Certified priority mail. They're telling everyone to have to wait 10 days. What kind of issues are they having? Sounds like, I don't think it's cash flow issues, but why? Imagine having to wait 10 days from Top Step. Usually, like, anytime I used to get a payout from them on the old dashboard, I would get it within like 2 or 3 days. And then people were saying they were getting their payouts the same day on the new dashboard. Micah, fuck that, bro. I ain't asking for shit. I get what you're saying, bro. I need a lesson in humility. I'm not asking. I don't need to ask for permission to spend my own fucking money. So, JC Trades, you think so? I don't know. I don't need anyone's fucking permission to how I spend my own fucking money. So that's where my head's at. I wish them nothing but the best. Especially everybody that I interacted with. Everybody was super chill. Everybody that I interacted with was super chill. I don't have any problems with anybody. It's whatever. It doesn't matter. I went on to have my best fucking month ever. Well, after my last appearance, I had my best month ever in May. And then I got put in a Focus Trader program in June. And then July, I was literally a day of, an Apex approval, 1 day too late from having my best month ever. I had my second best month ever. So whatever, it is what it is. I don't even fucking care. It's just funny because people ask me, how come you're not trading with Top Step anymore? Well, that's pretty much why. I gave away the milk for free for far too long anyway. Now I'm hoping some of these newer firms last for a while. Maybe I could, trade with one of them. But we'll see. I don't like, me with new firms. What's going on with Prop Shop? I don't hear anything about Prop Shop anymore. Fast track, slap chop trading. Monica, in 1 day? No. In total payouts? I'm probably closer to 20 grand at this point. What other new prop firms are on there? PST, what is that shit? What up, Elaine G? F4. Yeah, Micah. I'm going to take them out. What was the other one? Alpha? Alpha Trading or some shit? What else? What about Thrive? Alpha Futures. I said it wrong. It's not Alpha Trading. It's Alpha Futures. I've heard some good things about Lucid. Bartolo, what up? I think when you requested the payout, Bartolo, from when you request, I'm pretty sure. You know what it is, Josh? I just don't want to find myself in a position where I choose one of these firms, I start trading with any of these firms that are new. And then 2 months from now, they fucking go under and I got egg on my face because I was telling you guys how much I like them. Lucid is well connected in the space. That doesn't mean that they could fucking fuck up on the cash flow. You know what I mean? Or go retroactive on rule changes. What up, Stock Cars and Bets? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's from when you request, Bartolo. Because you could trade the next day. You could start trading the next day and it'll count as a new day for the new cycle. You know what I'm saying, Josh? I just don't want to fucking... That's why I haven't fucked with any of these new firms for the last 2 years. Since I started doing this. What firms have I traded with? All the fucking ones that have been around. I know, but I just don't want to, like, you know, I don't want to be like, oh, you guys should have known better. I don't want to be the guy that's like, all you guys get fucked out of your payouts because some prop firm rug pulls all of us. And you guys, let's say you use my code to get the account and you spend hundreds or thousands of dollars with them and you're about to get a fucking payout to get all that money back. And then they go under. And then what? And then what? And I'm saying that's the risk you guys had to take. I told you, but I recommended them. I don't want that on my conscience. I don't know. Maybe I should just not give a fuck like everybody else. I should not give a fuck like everybody else who doesn't give a fuck and does it anyway. They'll promote anything and everything. Maybe I should be like that. I'll just get codes for everything and make a list. Stock cars and bets. Yeah, that's any firm. Any firm could do the same shit. Sometimes they'll fucking do the right thing, and other times they'll be like, "Oh, it's not our responsibility." Third party platform. Yeah, I'm not fucking with Prop Shop. It just sounds like fucking too much like Chop Shop for me. But everybody's saying, well, not everybody. Here's the fucking, we got 31 votes. That's not a lot of votes. But 19% said Thrive. I shouldn't have put it in there because I know people are choosing Thrive just to fuck around. Funding ticks is the highest percentage. Lucid second highest. I should have said Alpha Futures. Yeah, but Josh, she promotes them all. You know what I mean? What on trades? What on entries and exits, round trips? How much is a round trip on one mini? Yeah, Neo. Unfortunately, they couldn't thrive more than 35 days. Shut the fuck, Josh. $20 fucking fees on a round trip with one mini on funding ticks? No fucking way. Hot shot. I mean, it's she figures everybody else does it. Yeah, dude, Josh, I knew I wasn't fucking with Thrive. And like Saris is a homie. I haven't seen, like, Saris hasn't been around. Saris kind of disappeared because he was involved. Like he was like I don't know what kind of involvement he had, but I think he was like an affiliate manager or something. I don't know. And like he was, he asked me, I'm like, bro, you know me, I don't fuck with new firms. And that's exactly why I don't fuck with new firms that they didn't even last 35 days. And that exactly that, especially that one. Joom had something. Joom was the guy that started it, painstakingly built by Joom. And then he steps down fucking 2 weeks in. Get the fuck out of here. TJP. Carmino Coat, what up? $576. That is a little on the higher end. I know Funding Ticks is like they already. Funded Next is another one. Like I've heard really bad things about Funded Next, and then there's people in our Discord in the best community on these prop firm streets getting payouts. Here's the link to the Discord if you want to join, by the way. Balance and position size freezing. It was probably during that pump. Probably during that crazy fucking Jerome Powell pump. I was already done trading with them, so I personally didn't experience anything. But I get why most people are choosing Funding Ticks is they're already they were established in the Forex space. So was Top One. But they had trouble early on in the futures space. They had to change their rules quick. Funded Next, fuck your CFD payout. Yeah. Funding Ticks sucks if you like the scalp. I kind of do like the scalp, Jonathan. Why? They don't allow it? Borovsky, what's up? Every single one of these except for fucking Thrive, obviously, because they're out of business. I've heard good things about. Top one ain't 10% of funding pips in the CFD space. Yeah. Just don't fuck with Tick. See? And Tick was just doing that crazy sale. What was it? $99 for a straight to funded account? Tick was just doing that crazy sale. 50% of trades need to be over 10 seconds. Oh, I hold. Yo, what up, Great Dane? I hold trades for more than 10 seconds most of the time. Yeah, that's all right. Most of my trades are longer than 10 seconds. I could last longer than 10 seconds. I mean, come on, guys. You pass your account sniping? Nah, I don't think they care about evals. I think Moravsky, I think it's more on the funded side. They'll use that as a reason to not pay you, probably. You know what I mean? Lick trading. Invest stars. Yeah, 42% are saying funding ticks. Yeah, I don't think they give a fuck on the eval side. It's when you're working towards a payout is when they clamp down on whatever rules they have. Then they look for reasons to not pay you. People just blame it, say Apex is the only one who does that. Anyone who has rules will look for reasons. They will make sure you didn't violate any of their rules, because if they did, then they don't have to pay you. You know? Why not trade iffy? Looks like what are they doing? Aren't they like letting people buy accounts for like $30 right now? I don't know. I don't have anything against Brett personally. I just don't really trust him after the whole NFT thing. But he did a good, trade if he's been a good prop for him. But since they changed, I don't know if they got the shit straightened out, but I heard from some affiliates, since they changed their platform, their whole website, that whole website makeover, which is on a completely different platform, none of the affiliates are getting credit for their sales. They're getting fucked. And remember, all of those cookies got reset because it's on a whole new fucking platform. So they basically rug pulled their affiliates and made them start from scratch. I don't even know if it's still work. I don't even know if it's working yet. I'm not fucking with that shit. I'll just keep trading where I trade. Camel toe trading. Use the best code. Use the best code. Yeah. CTT. Sounds too close to FTT. So, you know, that's where I'm at. Let me check something out. Maybe I can request. I don't know if I can request yet with Apex. Not yet. I might have to wait because I got to make my update videos. Hang on. I'm going to go pee real quick. If I come back and I can request, I will request. We'll have the payout request party on this stream. I won't hop back on. If not, I'm going to hop off so I can make my update videos. And by the time I'm done with all that shit, I should be able to request. But I'll be right back. If you got to bounce, thanks again for hanging out. I appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend. If not, hang out for a couple of minutes. I'll be right back. You know what? I don't think it's going to. It's not going to be. I'm not going to be able to request a payout until TradeAvate updates, and it's not going to update until, you know, around 5:30. Let me just hit refresh one more time. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I'm going to have to wait, which sucks because I wanted to do it with you guys on. You guys are still hanging out. 40% funding ticks, 28% lose it, 17% alpha. Excuse me. Coach Couch. Is there a best code? The best fucking code is ZERODAYJAY, just like Neo said. Thank you. Dips and peaks. Nah, I'm requesting a payout in about 20 minutes with Apex, these two accounts. Hell yeah, Coach Couch. I appreciate it, man. Oh, this countdown to funded. What is that? That's my funded futures? Yeah, trade PK, yep. Yeah, Apex is around 5:30, I think. I'll hang out for a few more minutes and I'll just hop back on if anybody wants to hang out. Watch me request some payouts. Yo, it's all right, QO Bill. Great to see you on here. Thanks for popping in. Till then, tell us about some conspiracy theories. I can't say too much. The last one that kind of blew my mind was this whole Kobe Myles Garrett thing. Myles Garrett could fucking ball. I'm talking basketball. 16% thrive. Isn't that funny, Yash? Yeah, V33. Trade day is just like Take Profit Trader. They're like Take Profit Traders, not as handsome. I like Trade Day. I just like Take Profit Trader a little bit more. But yeah, you could have a funded account with them for as little as $59.40 with their current promotion because it's 40% off and no activation fee. So the 50K intradays are $59.40 after putting in the best code ZERODAYJAY. Have I ever faced the same situation with drawdown and Take Profit Trader? Yeah. When it's intraday, it's tough. The issue with me is when I'm fucking going for day one payouts. You know what's fucked up? I had a day one payout in the books. I had it in the bag on Sunday night or Monday morning, and I fucking tried to get more and I fucked it up. I was at 29.20 in a 50K. So stupid. So greedy. That was how my fucking week started. How fucking dumb. But I'm used to intraday because I've been trading with Apex this whole time. Apex is intraday also, but I'm not going. The difference in why I've had more success with Apex in terms of payouts, although I've gotten a lot of payouts with Take Profit Trader since I got my first ever payout with Take Profit Trader in April. I've gotten a fuck ton of them since. But like with Apex, I'm not trying to fucking get day one payouts because you can't. They have a 30% consistency rule. So I try to stay within that realm the whole time. What's up, Savvy? Well, they'll still be $4.50 30 days from now, right? Unless they were XFAs. King, I don't know, man. Do you think I'm ready to trade a live account? Let's be fucking real. With some of the shit you see me do. The cool thing about live is if I see something on a bigger time frame, like if I see something on the daily or the 4 hour, like I could just get in the trade and just leave it and not have to worry about drawdown. You know what I mean? Like this fucking bounce. But I don't know. I don't think I'm ready for it. I'd rather trade options. I'd rather fuck around with options again than get a live futures account. Take Profit Trader is number one for me personally. And I don't mean that. I don't mean any disrespect towards any of the other firms I trade with. They're just, for me personally, I like them the most. Trade Day is up there too. Apex is up there. I like my funded futures, although I'm not crazy about the new plans. And I like bulenox. I love bulenox when they do 91% off. I got my first ever payouts from them last month. I got $4,500 from them. DK. Who's that? Take Profit Trader? Stock cards and bets is so pissed off at Apex, bro. You fucking hate them. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry that happened, bro. I don't mean to laugh at. I'm not laughing at you. I'm just laughing at how much you fucking hate them. How fucking mad you are about it. I feel you, man. I feel you, bro. Let's see. Let me refresh one more time. Yeah, it's not ready. I'll have to wait. I'll have to wait. So, guys, I hate to do this, but I got to bounce. I got to make my update videos before everything starts updating. And then I'll hop back on if you want to hang out. Watch me request some payouts because it's always fun to celebrate the wins. It's not to rub it in anyone's face. I just like to celebrate the wins. And why not celebrate it with whoever wants to come and watch and hang out? So I'll be back on in a little bit for a little bit. And I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Oh my God, we're at 99 likes. Somebody, please get me to 100 likes, please. Thanks again to Chris from Nevada for hitting the super chat. Chris trades in Nevada. I appreciate it, man. I don't think you're here anymore, but I appreciate the support. Good luck with your funded account. But I'll be back. Yeah, I like to rub it in the haters' faces too, Yash. What's up, Bach? There you are. Let me refresh one more time. One more time. Nope, it's not ready. All right, guys. I'll be back on in a little bit. I'll talk to you guys soon. If I don't see you until next week, I'll be on for Power Hour Monday. Every day, Power Hour, to and through close, and then randomly at other times. Thanks again. Smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel. All that good shit. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.